Early this morning, at approximately 4 a.m., within the Subramanya Nagar police station limits, a security guard at Geometry Brewery dialed 112 with an urgent report. An unidentified individual had broken open the back door and entered the pub's office on the third floor. When confronted, the intruder brandished a small weapon before fleeing downstairs and securing the pub's doors. Local night patrol officers and the station inspector responded swiftly, cordoning off the area to secure the scene. A quick response team arrived shortly after, conducting a thorough search of the entire building. No suspect was found inside the premises. Initial investigations revealed that approximately 50 to 60,000 rupees in cash had been stolen. A case will be registered once a formal complaint is received, and further investigation will be carried out by the Subramanya Nagara police station. Authorities are working diligently to identify and apprehend the suspect. Stay tuned to Sala Digital for latest updates.